Oi, wait.
So, no. We gotta start up again.
So basically, here it is. How's it going, you guys? It is VQ Isaac, back at it again with another video. And today, basically, we're gonna be repairing my dent. I'm gonna be removing the wrap and everything. And then I had this little kit that I got from Harbor Freights. It's basically like the paintless dent repair kit, crossbar dent repair kit. And I'm gonna use that on the paint and everything to see if I can pull out the dent more. And then from there, I'm gonna go to my homie's house. He's gonna Bondo everything and sand everything down. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna be getting it re-wrapped. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So I just got finished with taking off the wrap, and look at that. Sheesh, that OEM paint though, look at that. The reflection though. But you see the dent and everything, like, I'll get it fixed right now. But yeah, that's how it looks like right now without the wrap. Ugly ass. So now basically we're using the hot glue gun. And then I'll show you how to use this and everything to fix the dent and everything, but yeah, so we're gonna be using this, and I'll show you how to use the whole repair kit and everything. So yeah, so basically what you're gonna do is once you have the heat gun and everything, you're gonna have this and put it right here on a little dot, and then you're gonna put it to the car and then go and tighten it and just pull it out, twist it out basically. So we'll see how that turns out. So first what you're gonna do is you want to heat gun it, and basically you're gonna use the little hot glue gun and you're gonna put on this little dot right here and put it on, and then you're gonna stick it to the car. And you're just gonna twist it, and it should pull. It should be hot still, so we'll see. So we're just gonna put some on. Put it on like that. So basically, I wasn't able to do it with the little paintless dent remover. So I'm gonna be heading out to Tony's house right now, and yeah, but here's how it looks like. Oh, it looks rough. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Peace.
A few moments later.
So I just got to Tony's house and everything. Here's his car. Sheesh, hella clean. He's on Notorious BQs. Hella clean. Yeah, so this is a man himself right here, Tony.
Hi, I'm Tony.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna fix that.
What else?
And this little thing. And this even more minor thing. Cut. Huh?
Oi, wait!
Then you go like this. Go like this. We have now primered. Now we have to prime.
Huh?
Did I say primer twice?
I don't know.
We have now completed the body work. Now we have to prime.
Big ass condom.
Good work. And we're done.
I hope so.
I hope so too. It's good enough.
Yeah, it looks hella clean. The dent's completely
Got the
out.
body work, body line back in.
All my other little dents like took out. But it's gone, yo. Now just to wrap it tomorrow.
Good as you.
I want some McDonald's. So yeah, so we basically finished bondoing today and everything. So tomorrow just doing the wrapping or whatever. But here's how it looks like. Sheesh. Get that primer and everything. We also fixed my other dents I had right there, and a little tiny one on the bottom. But everything came out pretty good so far. So tomorrow just ready for wrap. So yeah. How's it going, you guys? It is the next day, and today basically we're gonna be finishing up the car. It's basically almost done. It's all primered, you know, the Bondo and primered and everything. I just need to wet sand it real quick, and then after I wet sand it, I'm gonna be going to my friend Reggie's house, aka Street Tailored, the man himself. You already know. But yeah, and then I'll get some clips of him, and yeah, let's just get into it. We just got to Reggie's house, aka Street Tailored, and this is his car. Like, this thing's a beauty, bro. Hella clean. Look at this. Sheesh. Wide body, todo, yo. Mr. 3-piece. But yeah, this is probably the cleanest wide body Genesis in AZ. Super clean, yo. It's on the ground, yo. Look at that. Look at this fitment too. Sheesh. Must be nice. Okay, I see you. But yeah, like I said, I always mention Street Tailored in my videos, Reggie or whatever, and you guys are gonna be able to meet him today. So yeah, so let's get into it. This is the man himself right here. Sheesh. The man behind Street Tailored. Got my boy Reggie.
What's up, guys? We gotta start up again. Yo, what's up, guys? So my name is Reggie. I rap cars and stuff. You might have heard of Street Tailored. That's basically my brand / business. I just like wrap cars, tint tail lights, headlights, stuff like that. And yeah, so today we're gonna be rewrapping this quarter panel. Yeah, I think Isaac was just getting a little freaky and, like, you know, real density right here. So he got it fixed by Tony. You probably saw his video. And now we're just gonna rewrap it, make it look good as new, and then he can go to meets and not get clowned on this side. But yeah, we're just gonna fix it up, and then let's see what it looks like afterwards. Man, if you guys can hear me on YouTube, fuck them songs.
Almost done. So basically here it is. So here's the final product and everything. Came out hella clean. You can't even see the dent no more, looking brand new. Muy chingon. Sheesh. Shout out to my boy Reggie, Reggie-licious.
Looking like that 2020.
Yeah, if you ever need any of your rap needs or whatever, you can hit him up.
Yeah, so yeah, if you guys want any wraps done or any like headlight tint, tail light tint, stuff like that, you just hit me up at damn, I forgot my Instagram. At street.tailored.com.
Huh?
Without the .com. Fuck! Yeah, so if you need any wraps, like roof wraps, full wraps, hoods, headlights, tail light tint, hit me up at street.tailored on Instagram. And then, yeah, just send me some info over the car, whatever project you guys want done, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I heard Isaac said first appointment after this video is released, he's getting free Dutch.
Psych though. Psych.
For a year.
Nah. Dutch on Reggie. Whoever hits him up first, let me know. Just mention me, and then Dutch on him.
You gotta send in a deposit for the Dutch.
I don't know about that. Like, look at this. He already has his own Dutch truck right there. Todo. It's water, but
this is like water with the fucking purple Jolly Rancher.
Yeah. So pretty much that's pretty much it. So here it is again. Sheesh. But yeah, there it is. So I just got back to my house from Reggie's house and everything. I did stop by Dutch. You know me, I had to get my daily Dutch and everything. But yeah, I just want to give a huge shout out to Reggie and Street Tailored for wrapping the car and everything, making it look nice, making it look brand new. And shout out to Tony for, you know, bondoing it and everything, making it look super nice and everything, you know. Shout out to both of them. You know, without them, you know, I probably had to pay like a lot of money, you know, but they helped me out and everything, you know. Big shout out to them. Make sure you go follow them and everything on IG and hit them up for your needs, whatever. If you have rapping needs or whatever, you know, if you need Bondo, Bodywork, hit them up for anything, you know. So that's gonna be today's video and everything. Hope you guys enjoy like this little process of me, you know, fixing the car and everything. Hopefully it was like helpful in a way, you know, maybe. I don't know if it was or not, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.